So,
Yes.
I gotta show you something.
Oh man.
Okay. You remember this?
Oh yes. Your first ornament that she bought.
Yeah. And I told you it absolutely matched nothing, none of my decor, nothing, right?
Yes.
Yep. He just kind of hung around for Christmas.
Here it is again.
Yeah, yeah. Because there's a good reason.
Oh.
Because I went to the Dollar Tree and look what I found.
Oh my gosh.
I found a boyfriend.
Because one wasn't enough. Now we need two. So
Look at
what?
that.
Are you gonna like?
Oh my gosh.
Breed more?
I hope now. I mean, go and find little baby ones. And I did buy us something though for this channel.
Don't flip out.
There you go. It's got a little spatula. Isn't that cute?
That's your reminder. That's your reminder.
Yep.
Just beat it.
Yeah, because you beat a lot of things in here. Yes. Uh-huh.
Beat it.
Yep. This one definitely got for me.
Oh wow.
There you go.
My kitchen, my rules. Oh, how I've been told.
There you go. Oh, holy cannoli. Guess what we're doing today?
What are we doing?
We're going to be making some breakfast calzones.
Wow.
I know. This is a family favorite. And, of course, super simple.
Yes, and,
Yep.
and very Italian.
Yes.
Do you know what I found out?
What's that?
Do you know why Italian snakes can't talk?
I didn't know there was anything such as an Italian snake.
They can't talk because they don't have hands.
That's good. That's good. Italian snakes, huh? All right.
Hi, I'm Tara.
And I'm Susan. And welcome to our channel. We're going to kind of put a different spin on these calzones. Because normally when I make regular calzones, I use my pizza dough. But we're going to kind of make these a little bit even easier than that.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay.
Because we're going to substitute the pizza dough with Grand's biscuits. So I've made these so many times that I can tell you just got to trust me when I tell you this. Grand's Biscuits Original. Don't get the butter, don't get the flaky, don't get any other kind, but Grand's Biscuits Original.
Aren't these kind of small?
Well, you're going to see what we're going to do with them.
Yeah.
So.
I eat them.
No. Put it down now.
You don't eat them?
Ooh, doughy?
Yeah.
Raw?
Yes. You don't like raw dough?
No.
Who else
No.
likes raw dough?
Not even. I don't even like raw cookie dough or anything like that.
Oh yeah, the sugar cookie dough. Oh my gosh, so good.
I think I'm like old school, you know.
Raw spaghetti
It's
noodles.
got raw eggs.
Crunch
and,
on them.
Oh my gosh! Now I know what's wrong with you. Okay. So one of the things you do have to do with these biscuits, though, is just before you're ready to assemble them and put them all together, you're gonna want to take them out of the can and defrost them on.
What if they're just in your fridge?
What if they're what?
Just in your fridge, not in a freezer.
No. That's what I'm saying. Take it out of the refrigerator. You don't want to put these in the freezer. These don't freeze.
I know. So then why would they need to thaw?
Because believe it or not, they're. I don't know what they're.
They're not squishy enough.
No, exactly.
They gotta be squishy. So
They gotta be
make sure they're
squishy. Yes,
Squishy.
they gotta be squishy.
Okay.
So there's another can over there. I just thought maybe you would like to go ahead and open that one. So there you go. What are you doing?
I'm trying to open it. Isn't this how you open these things?
You know, Yes, that's the way that we usually open that, but you have to take the wrapper off first.
No. It's not opening. Oh, found it.
Read the directions.
It's really just, it's just stuck on here. I think you super glued this on purpose.
Wow, yeah, because that's, yeah. I have a lot of time in my day just to
Think of ways
to sabotage you.
I think so. It's just coming off in pieces. How do you do this
Did
thing?
you even get the right end?
It's coming off in a
There
bigger
you
chunk
go.
now.
And you still didn't read the directions.
Yeah, but that's what you are for.
Wow. Well, what? I'm not always going to be there. I'm just letting everybody know, read the directions before you take it off.
You already told me 350. See, it's right there.
That's what it says, 350.
I thought you didn't need to read it.
I didn't.
Then why are you reading it?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, now I can do it.
Now you can. Oh, look at that.
Look at that. Popped right open.
Okay. You just got to let them warm up a little bit so they're a little bit easier to work with.
So how long do they got to sit here?
Couple minutes. So what I did is, and you can decide what you want to put in these. It's everybody's, whatever they want.
You can put whatever.
Whatever you want. But I normally make them with scrambled eggs and cheese. Those are the two base ingredients that I always use. Scrambled egg and cheese. Then you can decide what you want to put other than that.
Or you could do cheddar cheese and ham, and then it's like a little mini Hot Pocket.
I don't want to ever compare these to Hot Pockets.
Hot Pockets.
Yeah, I know. Why would I get a Hot Pocket when I can just do this?
Because Hot Pocket's already done.
Oh my gosh. It's not about easy, it's about good. So today we're going to be making sausage, egg, and cheese.
Okay.
I was going to say sausage, egg, and cheese Hot Pockets. Sausage, egg, and cheese calzones. And then we're just going to make some with just egg and cheese.
What's the difference between a calzone and a Hot Pocket?
Goodness. It's made with love.
Or tears.
Yeah.
Whatever way you want to
That
think
means
about
that I got up early in the morning and I did it for my family. I was the hero of my family for that day. I could have just yelled down the stairs, just get a Hot Pocket out of the freezer.
What's wrong with that?
So, you can actually buy the sausage already cooked and crumbled. Did you know that?
No.
But it's a little pricey. So, I just buy sausage and I cook it and crumble it myself. Go ahead and grab the two bowls over there. One has already got scrambled eggs and one has already got the cooked and crumbled sausage with the holiday wrapping.
Can't forget that.
Okay, so now, rule of thumb, because I always have those. Rule of thumb, however many calzones you're going to make, so we've got 16, you have 1 egg per calzone.
So you need 16 eggs?
So I'll use 16 eggs. That's 16 eggs.
Wow.
Yeah. All scrambled, all chopped. There we go.
Scrambled and chopped.
Yep. And these can be frozen. So I hate to say it, they are kind of like a Hot Pocket. Yeah. They don't taste as good though when they just come hot fresh out of the oven. How's that? So, okay, so we've got the sausage and the egg, and then we have the cheese blend.
The cheese.
You can use any blend that you want. So, what we're going to do then is we're going to go ahead and take our big bowls, and we're going to make our mixtures
Man,
here.
how many bowls do you need?
So, I usually get a pound of sausage for 8 biscuits.
Okay.
Okay? And then a package of cheese, so it's a 16-ounce package of cheese. So a pound.
Per 8?
Per 8.
Okay.
Yes.
So you have 2 packages.
Right. So then this would be 8 eggs for 8.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, but that, we're cooking, so what does that mean?
We can do whatever we want.
There you go. You can put in more cheese. You can put in less cheese. You can put in more meat than cheese. You can do whatever you want.
Yeah, do whatever you want and hope for the best. That's my kind of cooking.
Wow. I'm going to take my ring off for this one. You gonna leave yours on?
Yeah, I'll stay married today.
Oh, okay. Is that what it is? You take your ring off and all of a sudden, poof, you're divorced? Gosh, I'll have to let everybody know about that. Take your biscuit. Now, you want to take the palm of your hand.
Oh, man.
All right? And you just want to start working your dough. And you want to just keep,
We're ruining the biscuit.
You're not ruining it. You're just expanding it so we can put, you know, some ingredients in. Now make sure it's not too thin, and I'll show you why. So make sure you see how mine is a nice circle.
Well, you didn't say make it in a circle.
As good as you can get it, so it's not too thin, because then when you fold it over, you don't want holes in yours.
What happens if there's a little hole?
Well, that's okay, you can mend that. So now, you want to take a scoop of your mixture, put it right in the middle. Okay, now, as careful as you can be, you're going to pull on this dough, like this, and very carefully fold it over. And cinch it with your fingers. These are pastry trimmers. And then just to make it look pretty, and you don't have to do this. You can just leave them pinched with your fingers, or you can take a fork and just, you know, put the fork prints on there to make it look pretty, but I always use these. And then you just go right around the rim, not too much. You don't want to take too much off. Look how beautiful this is. Look at that, look. And I like this cookie sheet. I'm going to tell you about this cookie sheet. If you can see it on camera, you can see where it's got the V's. And what that's for is because it raises your food, so your food's not actually sitting on the sheet.
What's bad about that?
Well, so it can circulate underneath, and it won't burn the bottom.
Yeah, we don't want burned bottoms.
No.
It's like when you go tanning and only your butt burns.
Yes. Okay. I don't know about that.
It's not lifted.
Oh, look at that. Boy, you've got that stretched out really good. You're even faster than I am.
Look at that.
Yeah.
I'm trying to beat you.
Again, not sure this was a race, but okay.
It's always a race. Got another one.
Man, oh man. I'm not even done with my second one yet.
I know. I'm gonna win.
Okay, well, we're gonna keep on making these and we'll be right back. Is this yours? Of course.
Oh, it wasn't facing the right way.
Come on, they all gotta cook. Look how beautiful those are.
Those are awesome.
And that was quick, wasn't it?
That was quick.
Okay, so we have to do one more thing before we stick them in the oven. And we've already preheated the oven to 350. Okay, so we gotta do one more thing before we stick this in the oven. We gotta put a little bit of egg wash on it. So guess what? You get to separate an egg.
Separate an egg?
Yes, because you only use the egg white for your egg wash.
Oh.
I know you love to do it. And you do it so good. Remember, no shells.
Here we go.
Yep.
Here we go, guys.
Look at that.
Really disgusting job, but someone's got to do it.
You know, there really is an easier way to do this, but I just love watching you do it. I take the shell and rock it between both shells. Or I actually have a little apparatus that will suck that egg yolk right out of that white.
You are sabotaging me. Wow.
Yes, there we go.
Now what?
Yes, wash your hands. So while I'm whipping this up, there is a, oh, it just came out of the dishwasher.
It's peeing on me.
No.
Why is it peeing on me?
Because I used it. Okay, so we got an egg white with a little dash of water just to kind of thin it out. So
just a dash.
Just a dash. Take your pastry brush. like a pastry brush.
Yeah, you can.
That's a vegetable cleaning brush. Like for potatoes and... There you go. Okay, just dab it in. There you go.
And then what?
And then paint that. Just be careful. No, you don't want to get them too saturated. Then they'll be soggy. So there you go. You just want to paint the egg wash right on the top of them. 'Cause this is going to make them so golden brown. They're going to be so beautiful.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Little baby Hot Pockets.
Oh my gosh. I don't even... There we go.
Now
Okay, they go in the oven. And you're going to have to check them probably around 13 minutes, depending on your oven, how quick your oven, cooks. It could take up to 16, 17 minutes. So we'll check them at 13.
Okay.
Because everything that's on the inside is already cooked, pre-cooked. So you're not worried about that. You just want to make sure that your dough is nice and crispy.
All right.
Not burnt.
Here we go.
Okay.
Not burning. So that took 16 minutes. And they're ready.
And they're ready. Those don't look like Hot Pockets to me.
Look at that.
My word.
I see yours has a big giant gaping hole.
It does. But look at yours. Oh my word.
Wonderful.
I'm going to tell you something. Yours look way better. Look how yours look.
They look better, and I was faster.
Wow. That looks beautiful. Seriously. Oh my goodness. Good job. Good job. I mean, beautiful.
We'll just bury yours underneath.
Yeah. Wow. You really did do a great job. Gosh, mine do look like crap.
What is this?
Isn't that awesome?
What do you need this for?
Oh my gosh. Well, look how you just, don't have
It's
to
like
worry.
a giant snow shovel
That,
for food. What the heck is this?
that's a great thing to call it. We'll just call it a cookie shovel. Look how beautiful they turned out.
These look amazing.
Yes.
These wonderful
Yes.
homemade Hot Pockets.
Oh my gosh. Really? Is that, really? How about wonderful homemade Italian breakfast calzones?
That works too.
I told you, I don't want to be yelling down the stairs. Look in the freezer for the Hot Pockets.
No, instead you're going to be yelling, look in the freezer for the Italian calzones.
Yes.
What's the difference?
Oh, because then they know it was made with love.
Okay, well, guess you got me there.
Yes.
You got to make these.
Yes. If you want to be loved next time you yell down the stairs, well, keep on watching.
Keep on watching.
And subscribe down below.
And don't forget, hit that like and ring that bell.
And just remember, it's always better when you do it together.
Beauty
And the Bee signing out. See you on the next one.
Bye.
That looks so beautiful. Can't wait for the other ones to come in.
Don't touch it.
I know.
Wow. Don't bite on.
The more I say that,
burn.
the more I burn myself.
You're not supposed to touch hot things.
Oh my gosh. You know the trick to that, don't you? When you burn your fingers?
No.
There is a trick. If you burn your fingers, what you want to do is you just clamp it on your ear.
What?
Yeah. Try it next time.
Why?
Because it transfers all the heat into your ear.
What
Yeah, try it.
in the world?
No. If you burn your finger, just go like that real quick on your earlobe.
Is that like an old superstition?
No. Well, maybe so, but it really works.
I think it's in your head.
No.
I'm looking it up.
Okay.
Power of thought. It heals.
That's... You want to call it that? It works for me.